You know, something else we've been really happy with is the start of the weekend, how beautiful it was yesterday. Take a look right now. We actually have our latest radar and satellite. You can actually see there's not very much out there. That's good news. Again, I know that we want rainfall, but we got a lot of rainfall over the past couple of days. So to be able to at least enjoy the first couple of days of summer for a lot of kids out there, I know that they're happy that they can get out and about. And it looks like you're going to start off Sunday the exact same way. The only key difference here is that today we are expecting a much warmer day. I zoomed out a bit more so you can see the rest of the state of Texas right now. No rainfall. We had some ground clutter, but that doesn't count. Really what we're looking at is bigger swaths of rain, and we don't actually see that right now within the state of Texas. So that's good news to start off Sunday, but things are going to change as the day goes on. I'll show you a couple of the different models. Take a look at current temperatures right now. 72 in Austin, 70 degrees in Fredericksburg, 69 out towards Mason. Burnett at around 71, same out in Marble Falls. Bastrop at 73. Blanco, which I actually drove through yesterday, I was able to check out Blanco and Blanco County. Beautiful out there at 72 degrees. Dripping Springs, I drove through your area too. I was able to check out our Dripping Springs camera, so that was really cool to be there. But now you may be wondering why Georgetown and San Marcos doesn't have any numbers, and it's because their sensors are down right now. And so once those sensors are back up, which we do not control, the numbers will start filtering in just a bit more. But wanted to at least give you an update on that. Here's a live look right now of our Covington Cellars camera in High, Texas. Beautiful out there, almost a painting that you can tell at this point. You see a little bit of light fog, but not very much whatsoever. I do need to talk about what's going to happen later on this afternoon, though, because I have been mentioning the potential for storms. So first, let me at least tell you what we're looking at, right? The Storm Prediction Center is actually giving us the chance of seeing some hail and some very strong winds, hail in 1 to 2 inches in diameter, winds at 58 miles per hour plus. I wanted to show you this first because some of the models have been backing off on what we could actually see. So I'd rather give you what you could see and then what the models are saying. So what we have is a lot of activity happening farther up towards the north. And then we have a lot of daytime heating today. So both of those things together will create a level of instability, and we could see some thunderstorms actually perform. However, like I said, the models are saying, not as much. Now, models update every 6 hours depending on the different models themselves. So you may see a couple of them actually build. And this one, it says you may see a few showers as we get to about 3 p.m. But look at what happens. Not as, what I like to say, spicy as we get out towards 6 p.m., 7 p.m. This model saying you may see 1 or 2 that'll build up, pass by the eastern counties, and that's it. And it looks like the Storm Prediction Center is saying that's pretty much the same thing. Most of the activity is going to take place well farther towards the north of us. But a couple of those showers and thunderstorms could make a run for central Texas. And that's why I wanted to show this to you at least, so that way you get an idea that we could actually still see something, and I don't want to discount that whatsoever. The temperatures for today, 96 degrees, and as we look at your 7-day forecast, rain chances not only for today, but do pick up as we get into Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, with temperatures staying in the mid-90s.